Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz E Class 2-litre E220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic Plus, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Canvasite Blue Metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels finished in titanium grey, really complementing the Canvasite Blue Metallic exterior colour. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the Artico leather and Dynamica microfiber upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This car also features a sliding tilting panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, allowing you to find a comfortable position and then save it. And as well as this, they are also front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options and buttons to control your information panel, and you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 41,598 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is a navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. As well as this, you also have your rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz E Class 2-litre E220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic Plus that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, contact our sales team.